Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. Today, 12 quick gems, quotes, from a man named Jim Rohn. I have a friend in the cleaning industry. You know who you are, in Australia. And I was just thinking the other day it'd be great to include some quotes from Jim Rohn. He was an American entrepreneur, business person, author, speaker, and had so many wonderful quotes. I thought I'd share 12, maybe, hopefully, some of them, maybe all of them, you'll really find interesting. I know I did. Here they are. Don't wish it was easier. Wish you were better. Don't wish for less problems. Wish for more skills. Start from wherever you are and with whatever you have. If you really want to do something, you'll find a way. If you don't, you'll find an excuse. It isn't what the book costs. It's what not reading it will cost you. You cannot make progress without making decisions. Don't say, if I could, I would. Say, if I can, I will. If someone is going the wrong way, he doesn't need motivation to speed up. What he needs is education to turn around. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Either you run the day, right, or the day runs you. Learn how to be happy with what you have while you pursue what you want. And finally, the more you care, the stronger you can be. 12 quotes from Jim Rohn. I hope you appreciated some of them the way I appreciated them. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.